Ladies and gentlemen, in this video, I'm going to show you how TikTok Shop is becoming the best sales channel for some Shopify stores out there. And we're going to be looking at deeply this one specific TikTok Shop product that has been popping off like wildfire. And I think we're going to learn a ton from it in terms of the content that's working for them, why they're going so viral, how their TikTok Shop compares with their Shopify store, and more. So let's not waste time. Let's get right into it. Make sure you subscribe to the channel for more if you enjoy this kind of content. But let's get right in. So the store is called Intense Oud. And what they do is they sell perfumes. They sell all sorts of fragrances. Now, they are quite big on Shopify, I will say. You know, they have this really nice store that has been around for 5 years. So this isn't an overnight success, even though it looks like an overnight success on TikTok. This is the product specifically that's been going crazy. And the funny thing is, it's actually not even their best seller. As we see here, this one has even more reviews. But funny enough, this was the one that specifically caught fire. Now, their traffic on Shopify is pretty consistent at 260,000 monthly visitors. But on TikTok Shop, let me show you quick how much revenue they've driven. In the last 30 days, they've done $1.7 million. And let me show you actually, just in the last 7 days, they've done nearly 800,000 in revenue. So a lot of this has come from the recent weeks. And this is the nature of TikTok Shop, because I actually remember seeing this product in its very beginning here when it was doing a measly 6K a day. And, you know, now they're hitting 160K days like it's nothing. And, you know, here we are just analyzing their success. Now, some of the other products that they have also been doing pretty decent. But this is generally what you see with TikTok Shops, is that they have one product that really takes the cake for how much revenue they drive. Now, let's actually take a look at this and look closely. They're selling it for $49.99 on TikTok Shop, and on their store they're selling it for $55. So a bit cheaper on TikTok Shop. And if we actually click the product, we can see what the listing looks like. So this is what people see. Actually, it's discounted to $34.99 through the TikTok discounts that they have. And as you see, people absolutely love it. Now, the landing page looks extremely simple. Nobody's reading this. Literally, nobody's going to read this. It still could be much better, but I'm guessing the reason they have this like this is so that they don't get flagged by TikTok. Maybe this is what TikTok reps recommended for them. And they don't even offer free shipping. Another thing to note. So 64,000 sold. And as you see here, some of these creators have driven a ridiculous amount of money for them. So this girl here has done 500K, which is crazy. That is a lot of revenue for just one person. And it's been mainly through these ads that they're running now. So as you see, these have the ad tag, and it means that they are using these as ads. So that's actually what we do at Akemi. So real quick, my business is called Akemi, and Akemi Lab is our website, akemilab.com. And what we do is we help startups, specifically Shopify startups, grow through paid ads. So TikTok Shop ads are one of the things we're using right now to grow tremendously, just how this brand is doing it. And as you see, for example, the other day here, we did 4.5K for this brand at a 2.7 return on ad spend. So for every dollar we spent, we're earning back 2.7. That's great. That's a money printer. So if you have a TikTok Shop and you want us to help you grow it, reach out to us at akemilab.com. Otherwise, check out some of our other products as well, like the Discord. That one's really cool. But these are the kind of things that we're seeing so far with TikTok Shop. Just insane waves of revenue for some of these brands. Now, we'll see which ones are able to sustain it for the long term. I think really if we apply all these tactics to some of the big brands out there, we can see some huge success. And, you know, that's what I'm trying to do. But I will share with you more and more results as I go. I haven't dropped any sort of tutorial on anything yet, even for an ad account tutorial for TikTok Shop ads, because I'm still figuring it out myself. We have really good systems already that have been proven to work for multiple stores at scale, but I'm still not comfortable sharing that with anybody, because It's not proven yet, really. I mean, it's proven within our team, but I haven't seen any tutorials on YouTube talking about TikTok shop ads. So I'm just still going to continue to experiment more and more before I make an official release. But if you want to get some exclusive behind the scenes stuff of the agency numbers that we have, I don't reveal any of our clients because it's obviously confidential. But I do share some of the stuff that I'm learning along the way without mentioning anything specific in the Academy Discord. So you can also find the link for that in the description. It's really cool. People love it. I love being a part of it, and I think you will too. But hopefully you enjoyed this video. I know this was a bit of a late one, but I had to get one out. I saw this store. I actually saw this product on TikTok, and I was like, man, I can't believe how much this has grown since the first time I saw it. So I wanted you to see it now. And hopefully this is inspiration. Hopefully this is motivating enough to make you want to either become a creator and promote some of these videos or products, or make you want to be a seller and actually start making money through TikTok and selling stuff on TikTok. But that's about it for this one. See you in the next video. Peace.